I traded 62 goats for cash and an RV camper, whatever you call it. I'm here to pick it up. I don't know much about it. I don't know. I'm coming to get it right now. I hope it's all right. I've never seen this before. I only looked at it for 5 minutes. I didn't pay that much attention. The Coachman Chaparral. Looks pretty good. Got some rust under there. I hope it's all right. I really need it just to have a place to stay at the farm. Extra. Kind of cute, isn't it? Not bad. I hope the AC works. We didn't try it. I didn't try anything. I just looked at it for 5 minutes and I left. Maybe it's all right. It's a chaparral. It's got a little western theme to the furniture. That's good. I don't know. But it didn't cost me anything, really. Didn't have a mattress yet. I gotta fix that. I got a mattress for it. I got a new floor put in it. Anyway, I'm waiting on a man to come meet me so I can tow it off. Kind of neat. I think it's a 2013. That's what he told me anyway.